Good morning. Today is the 6th of June 2024. I'm here at Drupa and I'm here at this wonderful stand of Uteco. And it's a pleasure to be here with the General Manager of Uteco Middle East Africa, Anan.
Hi Ben, how you doing?
Very good.
Glad to have you. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much.
So it's more or less the penultimate day for you, and so it's a very busy Drupa, almost 10 days. Tell us, how was the show?
So the show was absolutely wonderful, actually. For us as Uteco, we've had a very great number of presence, and there was a lot of interest in the revolutions that we have presented to the market. Of course, after 8 years, you'd only expect so. And it's always a very, very nice pleasure to actually meet our clients and suppliers and partners as well, all in one booth, all at once, which is always absolutely beautiful.
Brilliant. Anan, most of our region and around the globe, people know Uteco as a flexible packaging printer converter.
Absolutely.
But, today I see something called Flex CA. What is that?
Absolutely. So the Flex CA is actually a group that's been introduced by Uteco, which is the group. It's an equity agreement basically with several partners in the group, which is basically the group for the flexible packaging industry. So currently we are the largest group in the market for such machineries, which is composed basically of CMG MAM for their blown film extrusion lines, GAP for their specialty extrusion as well as cast extrusion, Uteco of course for the CI flexo machines, laminators as well as rotogravure machines, BMEC for slitting lines, as well as Vision for register control, automation, as well as cameras, matrix and 100% inspection. And last but not least is our new baby in the group is SmartJet for the digital heads.
Brilliant. Looks like you kind of completed the loop for flexible packaging print converting.
Absolutely. So the idea is to be the A to Z partner to our clients and our partners, because as you know, for us nowadays where Uteco is going is not just to be a machine manufacturer, it is to be a partner and a product consultant, if you wish, to our clients, where from A to Z we can be your support in the project from a sales, service, as well as an innovation point of view.
Right. Okay, let's talk about Drupa. I mean, I know your show was great, and I witnessed that, and also I see a lot of people having interest in this new machine. I want you to talk about the new premiere that you have over here. But in general, how was Drupa for you from a global perspective, particularly from Middle East and Africa perspective?
Absolutely. So globally, it's been wonderful. We have been visited by clients from all the way from the United States to China, to India, to South Africa. It's been absolutely wonderful. And it's always a good problem when you can't keep up with all the people that are coming, right? That's always wonderful. Especially for us in the Middle East and Africa region, it has been a wonderful success. As you know, currently the region has had a lot of exhibitions and a lot of events where not many people were able to join us. But thankfully here in Drupa is where it was that get-together where after 8 years people were hungry to see innovation and people were hungry to see the latest that's out there in the market. So absolutely wonderful for us in the last couple of days.
Some figures, not necessarily figures, some success stories from the region. You
Absolutely.
have some.
So actually during Drupa, we have closed several projects actually, which are supposed to be coming soon, mainly to the Middle East area. And even in Africa, currently it has been a wonderful success for us. Actually, more than any exhibition in the past, when it comes to the Africa region specifically as well. Yeah.
So obviously in the flexible packaging, flexo
definitely
lines.
Not necessarily. So actually everything from extrusion to the slitting to the printing as well. I believe having this one group has given us that big interest from the clients, from the market, to actually come and bring that A to Z solution from 1 to 10, if you wish.
Okay, please tell our listeners and viewers and packaging IMEA readers, what's your message from Uteco? I mean, as a company, what's your commitment? You've been there in the region for all these years.
Absolutely.
You've been committed, I understand. So a message for your existing and your potential customers.
So currently our target in the next couple of years, and even starting already, and which was the project we started almost 2 years ago, which was initiated by opening up the Uteco MEA offices, which is based in Dubai. The idea from there is actually to become a partner with the client and be only a few hours away whenever you need us. And this, of course, applies not just for Uteco as a company, it applies for the Flex CA in general. Our commitment to the region currently is a very strong team at the moment. So even from a service point of view, we have Class A engineers locally available, as well as the fact that we are working as well on having, even in terms of spare parts and even in terms of training processes, or even a sort of academy that is being set up currently in the Middle East and Africa. So not only is it a sales and marketing office, it's also a full support from A to Z service, from installation to upgrades to spare parts, everything all in one spot.
Brilliant. That means that your commitment is even more than what it was before.
Of course, for us, opening up in the Middle East was an investment. It wasn't just to spend money. That investment only comes because of the success we've been having in the market, and which is a very nice problem to say, is it's more than we thought was ever going to happen, and this is why this big investment is happening all at once at the moment.
Last but not least, tell us a little about your Onyx Omnia, which
Absolutely.
you have here.
So the Onyx Omnia is actually the latest revolution in the market, and I know it seems a bit arrogant to say so, but it is a technology that we have just launched in the market, which is a patented design to allow you to have a full flexo CI unit with 6 colors, where you can print in full flexo. So during our demos, we print on water-based inks on film. But it also has a digital section produced by SmartJet, which is also fully integrated into the machine. So this machine actually allows you to run in 3 separate modes. Mode number 1 is full flexo, normal up to 400 meters a minute, full digital up to 150 meters per minute, or the collaboration of both, which is what we call flexo digital, which is a mix of both flexo as well as digital at 300 meters per minute at a width of 1.3 meters, and it is water-based inks, even in the digital section, which is FDA approved and Nestle certified. And we have the certifications already in the market.
Brilliant. Dwelling on your CI Flexo units there, 6 colors over there, you explained about some patented technology about replacing one of those units if required, with a rotogravure unit. Tell us more about that.
I'm glad someone was listening to me. Thank you, Ben. So actually on that last color on the CI drum, we have a new patented design that allows you to switch from a flexo unit to a rotogravure unit. So actually you can pretty much equip the machine with flexo, roto, and digital all in one line, which gives you versatility at its best without compromising the compactness and the ease of use of the machine itself. What's nice about that rotogravure unit is whenever you need it, you can put it. Whenever you don't need it, you can switch back to having a flexo unit on that machine itself.
Brilliant. I think you have topped it all with all the 3 processes with this machine.
Absolutely.
I hope our region, accepts something like this, a combination press like this. Very soon. We can see something like this.
And we see a lot of potential on the sustainability factor that comes with all of these technologies.
And water-based inks.
Absolutely.
And,
And the advantage is the economic sustainability, if you want, from the flexo and digital, putting 2 and 2 together, you get the benefits of the best of both worlds. That's always an advantage.
Brilliant. Anan, it was great. Thank you very much for your time. All the very best.
Thank you, Ben, and it's a pleasure having you.
You deserve a good rest now after this.
Thank you. We do need it, absolutely.
All of us, and looking forward to see you back in Dubai soon.
Our pleasure. Looking forward.